Hey, my name's Brayden.
Hi, my name's Sia.
Hi, my name's Pancake.
And today we're making pancakes. So the ingredients we'll need is
eggs, salted butter, and milk,
caster sugar,
baked flour,
Baking powder and dyes.
So the first step is to sift the flour, baking powder, salt and caster sugar into a large bowl. In a separate bowl or jug, lightly whisk together the milk, egg, and then whisk in the melted butter.
Still going.
Do you know what, Tia?
Use this one.
Oh, you've done?
Yeah.
Wow, that was easy enough.
Oh my god, Tia. That is not normal. That is diabetes level.
Do you want me to leave?
Yes.
Come on then.
Oh, you've got
You can have the
No. If there's shell,
I'm not very good at these.
it's not my fault.
I'm not very good at this. Stop.
No.
I thought our pancakes were gonna end up a bit messy.
Okay, and good enough. And then you melt it.
Is this every week? This channel?
You might want to move your
Yeah.
Here's a little close up, guys. Watch me whisk it. Ah, it's hot. I can feel
On
the
your
steam.
fingers.
This ASMR is actually killing me. So for step 2, you want to pour the milk mixture into the flour mixture and using a fork beat it up until you have a smooth batter. Any lumps will soon disappear with a little mixing. Let the batter stand for a few minutes. Go. This ASMR is just amazing, guys. Tia, why are you so messy? Why are you actually so messy? It's actually so. Onto the bowl right now. It's got one of those Pancake episodes where it literally goes everywhere overjoyed. So for step 3, we want to separate the pancake batter into different bowls and add as much dye as you want, depending on how much colour you want into it.
history. So, are you doing anything small about it?
No.
Not on the
My school is very.
Okay, what colour are you doing? Green?
Yeah.
Have you done orange? Thanks. That one.
Is that dark enough for you?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, that looks nice now. Just look.
So basically, the reason we're doing all these colours is because it's Pride Month. And we want to support all of you viewers out there for Pride. And if you need anything, any support, you should come and comment on this video. Tia thinks this is red, and Tia thinks this is purple.
No.
What do you think of that? Because I don't think it's purple,
No.
and I don't think it's red.
It's the red
This looks like diarrhea. It looks like diarrhea. Heat a non-stick frying pan over a medium heat and add a knob of butter. When it's melted, add a ladle of batter or 2 if your frying pan is big enough to cook 2 pancakes at the same time. It will seem very thick, but this is how it should be. Wait until the top of the pancake begins to bubble and then turn it over and cook until both sides are golden brown and the pancake has risen to about 1 centimetre thick.
Why did you whisper?
I don't know. I didn't know you were.
Tell me how much you put in.
I don't know.
How much are you putting in, Tia?
Just gonna put all of it in. No, actually, don't have that.
Oh no, what cheese look disgusting now.
Hey, go away.
I'm talking about Oliver.
This?
Yeah. It doesn't look too bad.
You pour it in. And then you want to go like this. Around the edges, if it moves. I nearly got it.
Okay, I'm gonna make my next one.
Again?
Come on, quick.
Just taste that sauce. Don't make me laugh.
Looks amazing.
Don't make me laugh, please.
And it burnt.
No, you just smashed it, guys. That colour actually might come out very well because
It probably will because
It's
it's the
dark.
most disgusting.
Done. And
And that's how you make pancakes, HideOut style.